So the Sacramento-San Joaquin Delta is an important part of California for various reasons. We have the agriculture uses, it's used for recreation, habitat, delivering water through the State Water Project, the deep water ship channel. The overall health of the estuary itself starts really here in the Delta. One of the critical things that the Department of Water Resources does is monitor the water quality throughout the Delta.
Some of you may have gone up and down the Sacramento or the San Joaquin River and saw buildings out on piles with PVC pipe hanging down from it, not really realize what those are. Those are our water quality stations. We have these spread throughout the Delta.
The Continuous Environmental Monitoring Program has two different types of water quality stations. We have 9 what we call shore-based sites, which are off of piers and they are accessed by vehicle. And then we also have 6 water-based sites, which we have to access by boat.
Being the Delta is an estuary, it's tidally influenced. We have water coming in and out of it. We want to make sure that the salinity balances, the water temperature balances, the oxygen contact balances, the nutrient balances all work for the environment. We have to make sure we maintain certain standards in order to transport water to the State Water Project. Our stations sample every 15 minutes and send it real time. When these stations were first put in 40 years ago, we had to pump water to a system that was very complicated and required a lot of maintenance. With the development of what we call a sonde, it's a small, compact water quality instrument that's self-contained. It runs on batteries, so we can put in a station pretty much anywhere we want with a data logger and a modem so we can transmit data. All we need is a pipe to hang it on and a solar panel, and we're good to go.
We come out to change the sondes every 4 to 6 weeks because of environmental biofouling, because of instrument drift. So we want to make sure that our equipment is freshly calibrated monthly just to ensure that we have quality data. The whole goal of a station visit is to exchange these sondes. So we have a newly calibrated sonde that we are going to exchange with the one that has been deployed. On the land-based sites, we actually have platforms where our water quality stations are located, and our sondes are actually deployed down about 20 feet of PVC pipe. So we hoist them up and then put them in a bucket of water with a freshly calibrated verification sonde that we use for comparison. When we are monitoring our water quality stations that are on water, they're on pile sites, we will have a boat driver and we'll have 2 operators out with us. The 2 technicians in the front of the boat are going to be in charge of swapping those sondes out. And we have to take into account the weather and the tide conditions. That's why we have a boat captain with us going out there. So then we drive up to them and we do our exchange actually on the boat. So after the data is rated and published, it's used for a variety of different things. The Interagency Ecological Program is consistent of 9 federal and state government agencies. And we all come together and use this water quality data as kind of a baseline for any study that goes on in the Delta. The Department of Water Resources has a critical role of monitoring the water quality throughout the Delta. It's a balancing act with trying to keep the Delta healthy for agricultural needs, fish habitat, for sending water down south, and the water quality program that DWR conducts really serves as a good baseline for the overall health of the estuary.